Hello guys, it's me again, Georgie from GBAutoworks. Today we're gonna do not cars, not vans. I already show you. We're gonna do a forklift today. What are we gonna do actually? Exhaust, stainless steel exhaust. So here is the old one. You can see it's a bit damaged already. Here we're gonna use profusion exhaust, just like a silencer. Just go like this, like on a diagonal. It's a bigger size, but that was the smallest one which you can use. But we're gonna manage to do it correctly. The Flexi, that what only was available on the market. The V-band also, nobody have the 38, so we're gonna use the 50, but that's not the issue. Here is our lovely forklift. Because we have a really nice setup in the garage here, we can lift the back on the back weight of on the forklift, and we're gonna be able to work without issue on it. So that's a different, but we like the different stuff. We like the challenge. So let's see. I'm gonna share together to enjoy on the building stainless steel exhaust for a forklift. First we're gonna start with cutting this one, because we're gonna reuse that one. We're just not gonna be able to fabricate this exactly, so we're gonna use probably stuff like that, but the rest of it is gonna be custom made, sorry. So this is where we are for today with the exhaust. I just decided to fix the muffler first, the silencer, and after that we're gonna go to build up the complete exhaust. We're just using the stock hangers just to make sure I'm not gonna move anyway. So this is how it is. For me it's absolutely solid. We just even fitted that one, the weight, just to make sure we have enough clearance, so nothing gonna touching and stuff like that. And we will see how it's gonna sound. I hope tomorrow we're gonna be able to fire up, but we will see. Should I do some fancy tips or no, or just a normal things? We will see tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, in our channel probably the exhaust videos, they're not so popular because there are many people like me which they doing it, but I would like to share it with you guys. We don't do only cars, we do weird things sometimes for our friends, but not only for our friends, for the people who they really would like and they really appreciate our labor. So yeah, if you would like something like this in the future, no problem, we can do it. Let's see tomorrow what we're gonna do and how it's gonna turn up the complete exhaust to the forklift. Perfect. So day 2 of building stainless steel exhaust for a forklift. Today we're gonna start actually matching the rest of the exhaust, and I decided to use them 2 small flexi pipes with the middle section of just cut at a small piece of the pipe. Genuine. Oh, that's the genuine. And now I'm gonna do it like this to match the length. I hope it's gonna have the same flexibilities. and if something went wrong with them, because that was the only one which we found on internet, we need something further repairing, we're gonna be much easier for us as well. So we're gonna do a V-band here rather than that flange. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. So here we go. Here is how we go out from the exhaust manifold. Here already we fit the V-band, nice and smooth. Here we managed to do down, flare down. Here to be like this, and here to match the size. If you ask me why we don't have a right size V-band, again, nobody have it. That's the reason why. On this side, we're gonna use similar stuff. Actually, is not this one, is the other one. We just cut it from the exhaust. We're gonna fit it here. We're gonna weld it like that, and we're gonna see how it's gonna end up the tailpipe down to there. So yeah, so far so good. So I know for some people probably doesn't make sense why you do exhaust on a forklift, but anyway, now we're just gonna purge the system. That is the first one from the exhaust manifold to the muffler. Always, you're gonna always purge. Doesn't matter what vehicle, it's always purge the things. So you're gonna see everything right now on a slow motion. Sorry, we're gonna see it on a fast motion, time lapse, whatever you would like to call. So finally everything is welded. Day 2. Tell me how many days you thought it's gonna take? 2-3 hours, yeah? 1 day. So here we go. Here is the forklift exhaust. And there, so ready, first part. So we have to put back all together. It's ready. Let's see. First start. If it's gonna fire up. Let's start for a first time the new exhaust. We will see the owner if he's gonna be happy tomorrow, because it's a quiet wow to me, but we will see. That was from us, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, ring the notification bell. So yeah, till next time, see ya. You happy?